Good morning everyone. Welcome once again to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to discuss one of the question of your exercise from the chapter linear equation. So let's have a look to the question. Here the question says the speed of a boat in a still water is 30 miles per hour. So the first thing which is given, speed of the boat in still water 30 miles per hour, right? It takes the same time for the boat to travel 5 miles upstream, 5 miles upstream as it does to travel 10 miles downstream. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the speed of the current or the stream. The both word have the same meaning, current or the stream. As already we have discussed earlier that let's suppose we have a boat, right? And this is a river or any water body, the moving water body, right? So the way it is having a flow, at which direction is it having a flow? That is known as stream. This is a current, right? So let's suppose we need to find out the speed of this stream only, speed of the stream, right? If the boat is moving toward this side, so we will call it downstream because it is moving along with the speed of the current. And if it is moving at this side, so we will call it upstream, right children? And as per the information given, what is given to us? The speed of the boat is 30 miles per hour, right? And we need to find out the speed of the stream. So what is given to us? The distance is given to us, that is 5 miles it covers when it is going upstream, 5 miles, right? And downstream it is covering 10 miles. So this is the summary, this is the question that we are going to discuss today. So to have a clear look, let's write the summary properly, what is given to us, right children? So we know that distance, speed, time, upstream and downstream. So let's see what is given to us. The first thing which is given to us, if we talk about the distance, in this question we have a different distance, that is while in downstream 10 miles, upstream we have 5 miles. Now the speed of the boat. Now speed of the boat, right? Speed of the boat is 30 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour, right? Is it right? So when we wanted to write down the speed of the stream, right, already we know that when the boat is moving towards the direction of the stream, the speed of the boat get added with the speed of the stream. So here we need to find the speed of the current or the stream. So what we will assume let the speed of stream or the current be x. So that is why I have taken here x. And to find out the speed of the downstream, the reason why I have added it here, because we know that moving along with the speed of the stream, the speed of the boat will increase, and moving opposite to the direction of the stream, right, the speed of the current will get subtracted from the speed of the boat, right children? Now the last thing what is left is time. So as per the question we can see that here the time is same when it is covering 5 miles or it is covering 10 miles. It is taking the same time. So the time would be same, right? So when the time would be same in both the cases, so what we can see here, the equation which we will form, that will be based on this only factor, right? So here the time will be the factor which help us to form the equation, right? So now I'm going to erase the question so that I can show you the further calculations, right? So now, as per the summary, already we have assumed that the speed of the stream would be x. So accordingly, now I am going to define all the given quantities in terms of the time. So what we are going to write it here, time taken while going upstream, right? Because we are going to form our equation on the basis of time. So now we will define everything in terms of time only. So first we will define it, the time taken while going upstream. We all know that the formula of the time is distance upon speed, right? So here we will write it, the distance while the boat has gone upstream. So the distance was 5 miles and the speed in upstream was 30 miles per hour minus x, right? So we will write 30 minus x, right? We will write 30 minus x. Now the same thing, time taken while going downstream, So again we will write the same thing, distance upon the speed. And now which speed we are going to take? We are going to take speed of the downstream. So here the distance covered while going downstream was 10 miles and the speed was 30 plus x, right children? So here you can see that for the both while going upstream and while going downstream, in both the cases we have the time, and as per the question the time is same, the time taken was same. So now as per question we know that time equals time in both the cases, in the case of upstream and in the case of downstream. So by taking this criteria we are going to put the value. So now we will put the value as per the upstream and the value as per the downstream, right? The time, so the time in upstream was 5 upon 30 minus x and it is 10 upon 30 plus x. Now we know that we have to cross multiply it to make it denominator free. So now we are going to cross multiply, 5 multiply 30 plus x and here 10 multiply 30 minus x. Now following the distributive property, this will be multiplied with this and this. So here we can see 150 plus 5x. By following the same rule here, we can see it will become 300 minus 10x. Now we can see we are at the saturation point, so we will transpose variable at one side and non-variable at other side. So it will be 5x plus 10x, 300 minus 150. So now you can see it will become 15x and it will be 150. So as per this we can see 150 divided by 15 because it is multiplying here, so there it will get divided. So what is the value of x we got? We got the value of x as 10, right children? So what was x and what is x? We have assumed as per the question it is the speed of the stream. So hence the speed of the current or the stream we can say is 10 miles per hour, right children? So any question which involves upstream and downstream, we always have to remember that three factors are always working out here, that is distance, speed and time, right? So first of all, we have to define the speed as per the upstream and the downstream equation, whatever is given condition, whatever is given in question, and then accordingly we have to see which of the factor is given same. If the distance is given same, we will form our equation as per the distance, and if the time is given same, we will form our equation as per the time. As in this question we have seen the time was given same, so we have formed our equation on the basis of the times formula. Right children, I hope you understood it. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.